Hello, crypto enthusiast. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new best just as swap that is going to offering a huge and number of profit on this project. I am going to share each and everything about this just as there you can find endless possibilities of earning. If you are new on my YouTube channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Here, you can find first of all the token contract address by which you can import it and you can buy it on different exchanges. You can buy the just as token here crypto credit card accepted as payment, and then you can also come on this interface where you can connect your wallet. You can put how much BNB you are going to pay, and then you can get there is JTT token, and here you can connect the wallet. Like there are OKX Phantom, there is Coinbase, what you have installed, and after that you can also go to the next option. This is the way how you are going to buy their token. And not only this one, on the home interface of JTT, you can find the tokenomics. You can find here is endless possibilities of reward. Here is how much is total token in different categories they have been allocated. So you can explore and you can work easily. There is roadmap according to which the team is going to making strategies. They are going to expand their communities through marketing on Zile Quest. There is staking to earn a lot of reward will be given. They have a very expert team working on this project so people can make profit and they are collaborative, and there is also big companies. And next you can find here there is team, there is about JTT just as token that is going to give you a next highest profitable token. And there is a complete vision that they are working with 100% fiscal transparency. And there is deflationary token that has the name just us. And there you can find 1.5% all of trade automatically burned through the revolutionary auto token burning system. So there is a lot of reward that you are going to get after joining this interface. And there is also a bridge. There is swap option where you can come, join, and you can buy the just as token to hold, and you can start a staking. There is also a complete details. So there is now a complete detail because you are going to swap from one to another on the bridge system. And there is swap, there is also statistics, you can find more articles and white paper. Now net you can also check out just as, and there is event on the Discord just as token Discord where everything is going to be shared. And next you can check out about their Telegram where you can follow, you can grab a lot of information to explore. You can also make right decision after exploring and after knowing the fun fact. And there is also a complete use how you will buy their token, how this is going to change your life. As on the chart details, there is complete market cap, and you can find it well. Just as that is going to show you. There is also fully diluted volume and total token supply, how much millions, and next you can check out about their swap on the pancake swap where just us token is now available, and in short name is JTT token that we are going to purchase. After connecting the wallet, there you can also check out how basically this is working. Here you have to put how much you are going to pay, you will get the token, and then you have to connect the wallet address. This is simple thing that you are going to find, and you can grab the token. Next is about the swap. as on the different way where you can check out the JTT token is now available. You just come join, explore, and get a best token that is going to changing your life. I must say thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in our comment box.